An Introduction to Apache Pig. Lesson 1, Pig Basics. After completing this lesson, you should be able to list the ways to invoke Pig, describe the data structures used in Pig, use the load operator to read data into Pig, pass input parameters into a Pig script, use the output operator to write data from Pig. Overview. Pig, or Pig Latin as the language is called, is a high-level language designed to remove the complexities of coding MapReduce applications. Pig converts its operators into MapReduce code. So instead of needing Java programming skills and an understanding of the MapReduce coding infrastructure, people with little programming skills can simply invoke the sort or filter operators without having to know or code a MapReduce application to accomplish those tasks. One of the strong features of Pig is that the developer or analyst does not have to depend solely on the Pig-supplied operators. It is possible to extend the language by coding one's own user-defined functions. Executing Pig. Pig can run in interactive mode or in script mode. Both of these ways have two options. Local mode gives you access to data in your local file system. It runs in a single Java virtual machine. This mode is normally used for testing against limited amounts of data. The second option, MapReduce mode, runs on a Hadoop cluster and converts the Pig statements into MapReduce code. To invoke Pig interactively, just code Pig on the command line, and you are then placed into the grunt shell. By default, you will be running in MapReduce mode. To execute Pig interactively in local mode, you execute pig-x local. To invoke a Pig script, just include the name of the script when you are invoking Pig. For example, to run a Pig script called myscript.pig in local mode, execute pig-x local myscript.pig. To run the same script in MapReduce mode, execute pig myscript.pig. It's also possible to invoke Pig using a Java command as well. First look at Pig data. As you might expect, the Pig language has a number of scalar data types used to define individual fields. Some examples are int for integers, char array for string data, double and float for numbers with decimal points. Fields are grouped together into tuples. You might think of a tuple as a row in a relational table or a record in a file. Pig has greater flexibility over a relational table in that all tuples do not have to contain the same number of fields. Tuples are grouped into a bag. Now this is where it can get to be a little complex. I just said that a bag is a group of tuples, but a, quote, field in a tuple can actually be a bag that contains other tuples. In this case, the bag is an inner bag. The bag that contains the tuples that correlate to rows in a relational table is known as an outer bag. It is also known as a relation. Map data is also supported in Pig. A map is a set of key-value pairs, and accessing a map with a specified key will return the value associated with that key. Please continue with the next portion of this lesson.